Here we want to draw y equals the modulus of x squared minus x minus 2. Although we're now dealing with a curve, the principle is exactly the same. We start by making a sketch of the function without the modulus. So we need to sketch y equals x squared minus x minus 2. Consider x squared minus x minus 2 equals 0. We can factorize this, so we have x minus 2 and x plus 1, and this tells us that the curve crosses the x-axis at x equals 2 and x equals minus 1. The fact the coefficient of x squared is positive tells us the curve is this shaped. If x is equal to 0, y is minus 2, so we know the curve is going through here at minus 2, and we know the x-axis intercepts are at minus 1 and 2. We can now draw the curve. And now we know to produce the modulus graph, we need to reflect any parts of this curve which are below the x-axis so that they are above the x-axis. So this portion will need to reflect up, and so we'll cut the y-axis at 2, and this portion and this portion are okay, so remain as per the original function. Of course, we should label the green curve was y equals x squared minus x minus 2. If we look at our modulus function, modulus x squared minus x minus 2, then it's being constructed from 3 portions. Portions 1 and 2 are part of the original graph, so they're part of y equals x squared minus x minus 2. Portion 3 is the reflection in the x-axis, so will be the negative minus x squared plus x plus 2.